Hello, in this video we will learn how to use the TI-Innovator Hub through coding on the TI-84 Plus CE or the TI-Inspire CX family. Our code for this video will turn on the LED light on the TI-Innovator Hub. Let's begin on the TI-84 Plus CE. Start by pressing Program, right arrow over to New, select Create New. Notice that our cursor has a block letter A, which means Alpha Lock is already on. We can just type color, which is the name of our code for this video. Press Enter, and now you are in the body of your code. Notice that our cursor has a block letter A, which means Alpha Lock is already on. We can just type color, which is the name of our code for this video. Press Enter, and now you are in the body of your code. For TI-Inspire users, select number 1, New Document, then select number 9, Add Program Editor, and select number 1, New. Here is where you get to name your code. Again, we'll call it Color. We'll tab on down and select OK and press Enter. You are now in the body of your code. This program will be accessing the RGB LED on the TI-Innovator Hub. RGB stands for red, green, blue. We want the program to request information from the user, how much red, green, and blue intensity to create our LED light. On the TI-84 Plus CE, we'll press Program, and we'll arrow over to Input Output. This is where we collect and share information with the user. Both options 1 and 2 on your Input Output menu will collect information from the user. You can either choose number 1, Input, or number 2, Prompt. You can see the catalog help screens for both Input and Prompt. Input allows you to make your code much more robust, where you can put actual words within quotes to appear on the screen, whereas Prompt just asks for the variables that you provide. Let's select number 2, Prompt, and then using your alpha key, let's put in our variables red, comma, green, comma, blue. Press Enter to go to the next line of code. For the TI-Inspire, we'll press Menu, we'll select number 6 for Input Output, and we'll select number 3, Request. Anything we put within quotes will appear on the screen. Press Control, Multiplication to get our open quotes, and I will type in red and an equal sign. I'll right arrow to get out of the quotes, put a comma, and then our variable R. Press Enter to go to the next line of code. Repeat by going to Menu, number 6, Input Output, number 3, Request, Control, Multiplication, type in green. Equal sign, right arrow to get out of the quotes, comma, variable G, Enter, and one last time, Menu, Input Output, Request, quotes, blue. Right arrow, comma, B, and then press Enter to get to the next line of code. Now that we've collected our intensities for red, green, and blue, we need to send this set of data to our Innovator Hub. On the TI-84 Plus, press Program, arrow over to Hub, and select number 1, Send Set. Select number 2, Color, and it now says Send Set Color. We need to put a command in this line of code which will evaluate each variable as the user enters them in. Press Program, arrow over to Hub, and the eval command is number 6. You can evaluate one variable at a time. So I will put in R for red close parentheses, press alpha and then the 0 to put a space in my line of code. Again, Program, Hub, select number 6, eval, put in my second variable, green, close parentheses, alpha, space, Program, Hub, eval, B for blue, close parentheses, close quotes by doing alpha plus sign, close our outermost set of parentheses, and press Enter to finish that line of code. For the TI-Inspire, press Menu, select number 8, Hub, select number 1, Send Set, and choose number 2, Color. We need to now evaluate the red, green, blue values. We go back to Menu, choose number 8, Hub, choose number 6, Eval, and the first variable is R. Arrow wants to get outside the parentheses, but still inside the quotes. Space, Menu, number 8, Hub, number 6, Eval. We now put the G variable inside the parentheses. Right arrow once, space, Menu, Hub, Eval, B for blue, and that is the end of our code. To save our work, on the TI-84 Plus CE, press second mode, which is your quit. On the TI-Inspire, we can press Menu, we can choose number 2, check syntax and store, and we can choose number 1, check syntax and store. And it says at the top, color stored successfully. When we run this code, we can put in a value for red, green, and blue that ranges from 0 inclusive up to 255. Now let's see our code in action. First, on the TI-84 Plus CE. Start by grabbing your connection cord. There's an A end and a B end on the cord. Put the B end into the Innovator Hub where it says Data B. Put the A end into your TI-84 Plus CE. The port is on its side. You will see your Innovator Hub light up, which means you are connected. Press Program, select Color, press Enter to run your code. Again, you are choosing a value from 0 to 255. So if I put in 0 for red, Enter, 0 for green, Enter, and then 255, I will get a very bold blue color. Press Enter to run it again. 255 for red, 0 for green, 0 for blue, and it changes to a very bold red. Enter again. 0 for red, 255 for green, 0 for blue. And there you have a deep green LED. Start to have a little fun by making your own colors. Try 150 for red, 0 for green, 255 for blue. And now you're getting shades of purple. Try to get yellow, orange, pink. Try all the colors in the color spectrum. For the TI-Inspire, again, connect the B end into the B data port on the Innovator Hub. Connect the A end into the top USB port. And then, if you're in your code, you can press Control followed by the letter R to run your code. Press Enter, and now you see your text box. For red, I'll put in 100, Enter. For green, I'll put 255, Enter. And for blue, I'll put 0. and I get a light shade of green. Press enter to run it again. Change red to 255. Enter. Green 0. Blue 150. And there's my pink. For more coding ideas and activities, be sure to visit www.education.ti.com and look for TI codes. No matter if you use the 84 Plus CE, TI Inspire family, or you use the TI-Innovator Hub, you'll find a plethora of activities.